Tá mit seánú ag síl glónamúna agus tá Kneecap in haachtamach agus an GoFundMe a cheála a dro an fór na euro. Mar acan sibh an seo tá a gá má an seala a han an seo milliún pontóga agin le haid an euro pobl agus reachta chuoine Carraige agus tá 6 míle pont gan as an áige tosíthe an orgniú curstú.
Well, si bhí me sé freastar an chuman áige seo agus me sé in idir blion deag díos. Then for me post and seo éice agus mé sé ag bhí mé edbrú go dúnach an seo ar fianna blianta agus daithe mé an difer a bhí sé deanna ar son géalaigh daoine ar Belfast ná rum just dearag I caiintlí le ar scóil go raibh at social dogging agus in scóil muíon mu tabal de sort an squash in a horse gilí smó fastí so ar lá.
Agus tá Kneecap in shop míle pont a dúnú doing agus an GoFundMe a cheála a bheits a gáil amach an app. I'm dínta buichdóid feis an jazz groups doing. So we're here now on the vacant site at Glónamúna. This is the waste ground where we hope to build a purpose-built youth community and heritage centre. We have raised £1 million towards that end. We're £600,000 short of the money to start the project, and a lot of the government departments in the north are saying they have no money. We believe they do have the money, but they're not making this a priority. So we've decided to do it ourselves under the maximum non-Carraige. And what Kneecap have done here today is they've donated £7,200 of the money that they won in the court case, a landmark court case against the British government. And we're going to launch it. They have launched our GoFundMe this evening, and we're going to ask people far and wide to donate to the worthy cause of building this building.
I suppose you realise that there was more people going, like there was more and more people sort of going to the Irish schools every year, but less people were speaking it outside of the classroom, and we realised that there wasn't enough social spaces for people to use their Irish, so places like Glónamúna were created, and I started volunteering and stuff and realised that they were doing a lot of good work for the Irish language in West Belfast, so we'd like to give that opportunity to more kids.